Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Hobby. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and I'll try to fit this mod kit which I received from Abhishek Mehra for the Casio Oak, that is GA2100. So I have just removed the address apart from this package. So let's get unboxing and see what we have inside. So it looks like it's an envelope, so I'll just cut it here. Alright, so there is an envelope which has, I think, maybe the invoice. Okay, it's the bill. I paid around 6,500 for this because it's the offshore kit and not the bracelet. It's a rubber strap. So I'm excited to see what we have inside. Okay, it's a well-packed box. Alright, so my first concern was the color of the strap. It's a little lighter than the Casio Oak, but maybe it does match with this. I'll be seeing how it fits once I make the whole changes. So with this and this, maybe it works. Let's see. So the case finishing looks really nice. So this is the case. So I'll open it. Okay, so the case is really nice. So if the strap doesn't work, I'll just put on the case, and that's about it. Let's see. So other than that, there are 4 screws I can see, which is basically these, as far as I understand. So maybe once I remove this, I have to put in these. And then there are screwdrivers, which is nice because I don't have them. And there is even a strap removal tool, which is awesome. I have one, but I don't mind having another. And then this looks like some sort of a pin. I'm not sure. Let's once I'm trying to mod it, I'll come to know what it is. So let's start. So I'll be starting with removing these. So what do I need for that? I think this one would work. So okay, before that I better remove the straps. So these are like quick release straps. So maybe I can just quickly release them. Okay. Right, so they are out of the way, and now for what I need is I have to remove the case. That should be pretty straightforward. I just unscrew it and it's off. Okay, right, it's red on red. Is it visible? Maybe I'll bring in another cloth. Okay, so I'm back and I'm gonna remove the remaining screws now. So that's that. So I have kind of removed that, and then I just need to take it out. Yeah, once these 2 buttons are off, it's pretty straightforward and it's removed. So this is how it looks. And now let's place this case in. And do I need to put these, or should I use the stock one? That's the question. Okay, I think I need to put these because these may be bigger than the other one, so I can use to store the stock in the same cover. Okay, so it's pretty much tightened up. So I really like the look of this, or this looks. The quality is really nice overall. So now time for the straps. So the strap has some plastic on it. Let's try and see how it looks. Sorry. Okay, it's come off and it looks very nice. So this is also quick release, so I can just try it on. Right. All right. So I think it looks nice. All right. So this is the final product, and let's put it on my wrist and see how it looks now. Overall, I feel I'm wearing a different watch now, completely different. Let me just put it on my wrist. I think it looks really nice. Let's see. Yeah, I need to tighten it in one more. Yeah. This is how it looks. So let me know your feedback on how this has turned out. It's a very easy mod. They have provided all the tools with it, so it's pretty easy to do at home. So let me know what you think. Thank you.